Namaste. So today I'll be covering the variations of Hasta Padangushtasana. I've already covered several postures of Hasta Padangushtasana, lying down supine on the back. But these are nice if you want to strengthen your hips and remove stiffness around the hips in the morning. Thanks to the Yoga Institute Mumbai, these are all the Yogendra variations of Hasta Padangushtasana, which I'll be demonstrating. One advantage with this is it also strengthens your fingers, as you will see me demonstrating, your wrist, your arms, your shoulders, your neck, and also your lower limbs. So basically your upper limbs, your lower limbs, and also it brings in focus and attention because you'll be focusing on holding it. So let's begin. Feet stretched out. This is staff pose or dandasana. Your left hand is relaxed. Inhale at the center. If you can grab hold of your right big toe. Exhale. Hold the position. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale back. Release. So if you feel you can't reach, this could be your variation. So you could always bend your leg. So I always like to give variation. So you can hold it, exhaling, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release it and relax. So I'm showing both variations. Now raising my left leg, inhale first at the center, exhaling, flex your other foot, your right hand is relaxed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back to center. So if you feel you can't straighten your knees, just showing you a side position, your right hand is relaxed. You can always bend your left knee, more easy version. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you keep flexing the other foot so that you're still working, keeping this leg active. So I'll repeat it once more. Inhale, exhale, the hard version. Relax your left hand on the side. 6, 5, 4. Look at your big toe. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, release. So the more difficult or the variation, instead of straightening, I'm showing an easy version. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, relax. So this was the first variation of seated Hasta Padangushtasana. Hasta means hand, Pada means foot, Angu, Hasta Pada, Angu, you're holding the big toe. Angu Ashta Hasta Padangushtasana or Angu. So that's how the name has been derived. So let's move to the second variation. Your left hand is relaxed on the side. Lift your right big toe, exhaling, and then turn to the side. Stay in static. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember, you can always bend if you can't straighten it. Relax. Inhale, right hand relax. Exhaling, lift your left big foot. As you can see, you're strengthening your ankle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you look in the opposite direction, inhale and back. So it also working on the neck. So let me show once more. Inhale at the center, exhale, straighten and look on the left as you stretch on the right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember to keep the other foot flexed. Lots of things to remember so that the mind does not wander. Relax the right hand here. Inhale at the center. Exhale. Twist towards the left. Take the leg towards the left and look on your right. Tuck your belly in if you can. It's okay to slant as long as you're not slouching. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale back. Exhale. Release. So this was the second version. The last version, the third one, is more of dynamic because right now I just showed you both are static. Inhale, left hand relaxed. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, more easy. Exhale, Inhale and release. Relax your right hand so your head looks forward. You don't have to turn your neck. Inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, relax. So it's always nice to relax. Showing you the other position. Bring your feet outward and just rest. A lot of work even on your belly as you lift your legs. So this was the Hasta Padangushtasana, variations 1, 2, 3, seated, thanks to the Yoga Institute, Mumbai. After the rest, you can proceed on to other asanas. So one advantage of all these variations are you can do it as a standalone practice. It's a good 5 minutes warm up before you do any other asanas. And as I already told, the benefits strengthens your whole hand, your neck, your shoulder, your hips, because you're lifting your leg, your knees, your feet. So basically, it works on both the lower limbs and the upper limbs, and also brings in a state of peace, relaxation, because it's not too dynamic where your heart rate has gone up and all your attention and focus is on the posture. Thank you. Namaste. If you've enjoyed watching this, do share it with your friends and family. If you have any question, do write to me at the email address listed below in my channel.